Tripper, the power of fashion, presents the Grand Pongal sale. Buy one get one and buy two get three offers available at all Tripper showrooms. Chennai, Coimbatore, Erode and Tirupur.
கட்டனா குரு குரு குருன்னு பாப்பாங்க குட்ட குட்ட கவுன போட்டா குறுக்க மறுக்க பாப்பாங்க இப்படி பாட்டு போட்டிருக்காங்களே இது ஜல்லிக்கட்டா மல்லுக்கட்டான்னு மட்டும் இந்த பாட்டுக்கு ஒரு விளக்கம் கொடுங்க.
நடுவர் அவர்களே, இந்த பாட்டுல என்ன இருக்கு என்ன இல்ல அவன் வீடியோ வரலன்னு வெறுத்தமா வெயிட் பண்ணிக்கிடுங்க.
Silambarasan was born on February 3, 1983 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu as the eldest son of multi-talented veteran T. Rajendra and Miss Usha Rajendra. He did his schooling at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School and Santhome Higher Secondary School and his undergraduation at Loyola College. Silambarasan Desingh Rajendra, also credited by his initials as STR or commonly known as Simbu, is an actor, director, writer, composer, dancer, music director, lyricist, and playback singer in the Tamil film industry. Mr. Silambarasan started his career when he was a 6-month-old baby when he appeared as a newborn baby in a film directed by his father. His father began molding him right from his childhood, and Simbu soon became a popular name in the film fraternity. As a child, he had acted in 19 films and was popularly known as Little Superstar. After many movies as a child artist and multiple special dance appearances, Mr. Simbu debuted as a hero in Kadal Aivadillai in 2002, a movie directed by his father. In 2003, his movie Kovil, directed by Hari, received massive appreciation. In 2004, he made a mark for his acting and excellent story narration in Manmadan. Silambarasan proved that he is a worthy son of a worthy father when he directed the film Vallavan in 2006, in which he demonstrated his talents in story writing, screenplay, and dialogue writing, besides acting. He also dubbed for Slumdog Millionaire in Tamil. His 25th film, Vinay Thandi Varvaya, directed by Gautam Menon, released in February 2010 and went on to become a blockbuster. Through the movie, Simbu proved that he was not only a commercial hero, but also a versatile actor. Chekka Chivandavanam is another masterpiece in which Simbu had exhibited his exemplary performance and received tremendous appreciation from all quarters. Vinay Thandi Varvaya's Karthik, Vanam's Cable Raja, Poda Podi's Arjun are memorable characters for Simbu's fans and all movie lovers. Recently, his movie Manadu received stellar reviews and became a huge hit. Simbu's talents were well recognized with numerous laurels and awards. The following few are noteworthy. Kalaimamani Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu in 2006, Filmfare Award for Best Actor Tamil for Vinay Thandi Varvaya in 2010, ITFA Best Actor Award for Vanam in 2011, and Saima Award in 2012. Mr. Chancellor, for his outstanding contribution and untiring dedication to the film industry as an actor, director, writer, composer, dancer, music director, lyricist, and playback singer, the Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Vistas, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contributions to the film industry, to confer upon Kalaimamani Shri T.R. Silambarasan the degree of Doctor of Literature, Honorary Causa, to which I request that he may be admitted.
Tripper, the power of fashion, presents the Grand Pongal sale. Buy one get one and buy two get three offers available at all Tripper showrooms. Chennai, Coimbatore, Erode and Tirupur.